So again, I'm going to tune the guitar. So intonation is essentially checking if the guitar's in tune with itself. So what we're really doing is just compensating for the mass of the strings. So if I just get the tuner in the window there, so you can see we're tuned to concert pitch almost. Okay, so our open string is registering an E on the tuner. What we also want to do is go up an octave to the 12th fret and also C and E. As you can see, we're perfectly intonated there. Make sure, I know, we're looking a little sharp actually. Just check again. These strings are new, so they're going to bounce around a little bit, so I want to take the slackness out of the strings. Now, also just use the same attack on the string when you're testing the open to the 12th. So you can see we're just a little bit sharp there. So the way to compensate for that is we need to increase the length of this vibrating string. Now, the first contact point for the string is the saddle, and the second contact point is the nut. So the length between those two is the vibrating length of the string, or the scale length. So if your intonation's a little bit sharp, what you want to do is increase the length of that vibrating string. So you can see if I bring the camera up now, okay, so if I check the intonation now, check the open string. So you can see we're pretty much spot on. Okay, so the last thing I want to check is just the pickup.